Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Mo, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make fresh salad roll. Let's get started. We have green leaf lettuce, I'm gonna shred the cucumber with a shredder here. So I'm gonna cut the end part of the cucumber off. We don't need that part, so we'll just cut it in half. Half again. We got our shrimp. I'm gonna cut them in half. Just a couple. Okay. So now I'll be cutting an avocado and I'll show you how to cut it. So first we'll cut it in half. We're gonna remove the seed. I'll cut it thinly sliced. That will be in our salad roll. Okay, here's our slices. About 3 slices is good. Okay, we have, right here we have bean sprout, shredded carrots, and I like this daikon. And we also have the rice. I'll be using the rice sticks noodles today. You can use any kind. You can use vermicelli or rice sticks. And rice paper I'm using today is the 3 Lady. It's a 25 centimeter. It's bigger, so it's easier to roll. Now I'll be dipping my rice paper into warm water. Make sure you don't over dip or the rice paper will be sticky. I will be adding the lettuce. Some carrots, bean sprout, and my daikon radish. Rice noodles, lay it across. Add the avocado slices. And then my shrimp. Make sure the pink side is facing out. Don't forget the cucumber and cilantro. Now it's time to roll. Make sure to roll it tight. Roll it halfway. You're gonna stop and then you're gonna fold both sides. There you have it, the perfect salad roll. You can eat these with peanut sauce, which people love, or you can dip them in fish sauce, which is more traditional in Cambodia, and how I like to eat my salad rolls. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video.